Here's another example of a 25-foot John Deere tin front, table auger and steel floor. The table auger was beyond repair, so we've put another one into it, and we've put a new stainless steel floor right through. We've lined everything up. We've put new bolts almost through the entire frame, because when they get to this age, they get rusted into their positions, and you can probably see the stainless steel bolts that we've put as replacements. These machines are very good at stripping pulse crops, particularly field peas and lupins, because they get right down on the ground, and if you've got them in good nick, they do a very good job. So if you've got an old machine like this and it needs refurbing, give us a call on 0418 525 942.